Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I'm talking about two instant cash businesses that you can join. You can join either one of them, and one is called Easy1Up, the other one is called the Fearless Momma. And these are instant cash businesses where you can earn 100% instant commissions paid directly to you. Okay, so both of these programs are great programs. They have great training in the back office, and that's why I have joined both of them. I've been with Easy1Up since last year. I joined the Fearless Momma, I think earlier, like at the beginning of the year. Okay, so I just want to go over the differences between these programs so you can make a more informed decision on which one you want to join. And I'll leave links to both of these programs down below this video in the description area so you can get more information. But let me jump over here to the whiteboard here. So I have here Easy1Up versus the Fearless Momma. Okay, let me move this up a little bit. Now, with both of these programs you have a one-time payment. With Easy1Up, they have multiple product levels that you can purchase. Okay, so you can come in for as little as $25 where you get some basic marketing information on network marketing and affiliate marketing. And they have levels $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000 is their highest product level. Okay, where you can get access to going to live training events. Okay, now they pay 100% instant commissions. Okay, so when you purchase a product level and you pay the product level purchase price plus the administration fee, so each one of these levels has an administration fee attached to it. Once you do that, you become eligible to receive 100% instant commissions at the product level that you joined. Now, if you come in at the second product level or above or higher, let's say you come in at $100 instead of $25, not only do you get access to the $100 product level, you also get access to the level below it, which is the $25 product level. So if you come in at $1,000, you're going to get access to the $1,000 product level and all of the levels below it. And again, if you come in at the highest level, $2,000, you get access to all of the product levels. And not only that, you are also eligible to receive commissions on all of the product levels if you're at the $2,000 level. If you come in at the $25 level, you're only eligible to receive commissions at that level. So you're only eligible to receive $25 commissions. So if you bring somebody into Easy1Up and they come in at a higher level than you, you will not receive that commission. It will go to your sponsor. Okay. Now with Easy1Up, they also have a pass up. Okay, you pass up one sale. That's your second sale at the level you joined. For example, if you come in at the $250 level, your first sale at the $250 level goes to you. Your second sale at the $250 level goes to your sponsor. But your third sale at the $250 level and so on, they stay with you. Okay, you keep those. Okay, you're only passing up one sale. That's your second sale at the level that you joined. Okay, you're not passing up any sales at the levels below you. Okay, now, so if you're at the $250 level and you're bringing in people who are signing up at the $100 level, then you're not going to pass up any of those sales. It's just at the level that you're at your second sale. All right. Now, if you want to upgrade into another product level, you will have to pay the full price of the next product level plus the administration fee. So if you're at the $250 level and you want to upgrade to the $500 level, you're going to have to pay the full price, $500. Okay, and then you'll also have to pay the administration fee for that level, which is $50. Okay, so just to let you be aware of that you will have to pay the full price if you plan on upgrading it to the other levels. Okay, now what do you get with Easy1Up when you pay for a product level? Each product level has certain types of training. It's marketing training, network marketing training, affiliate marketing training, e-commerce training, how to create your own products and services and sell those, how to create membership sites, how to create a blog and create authority with your blog, all sorts of things, how to do video marketing, how to do Facebook ads, all sorts of training, free and paid traffic strategies, all sorts of trainings in the back office of Easy1Up that you can use in any business that you're in. If you're interested in starting an e-commerce business, they have information on starting an e-commerce business in the back office, depending on which product level that you purchase. Okay, so once you get in, you pay for your product level, you set up your payment methods and everything. How are you going to market Easy1Up to other people? Well, inside the back office, under the affiliate marketing part in the menu, there is a system. It's a standalone system called Vertex Lead System. It's a marketing system that you can use to promote Easy1Up, and that's their only function. Vertex Lead System, the only thing they do is promote Easy1Up for you. Okay, and it's a complete marketing system that has lead capture pages that you can use, has video sales letters that you can use. It has its own autoresponder, although I highly suggest that you use your own autoresponder to build your email list and collect emails. And it also has email swipes that you can use in your autoresponder, or you could just use the autoresponder with the system. And there's also an Easy1Up Facebook community group and that you can join once you decide to join Easy1Up. And in there, if you have questions, you can ask your question in the group. There's a lot of good information in the group from other people who are having tremendous success with Easy1Up. Okay, so with the Fearless Momma, one-time payment of $250. That's it. Okay. And once you pay your $250, that makes you eligible to receive 100% instant commissions anytime someone joins the Fearless Momma using your affiliate link. Okay, there are no pass-ups with the Fearless Momma. $250, you get paid. You don't have to pass up any of your sales to your sponsor. Okay. Now there is a back-end program. It's a high-ticket program called Six Figure Empire, and you can join that if you want to, but it's not required in order to be part of the Fearless Momma. But if you want to start making those high-ticket commissions, then you can join Six Figure Empire, and Six Figure Empire just gives you more marketing training and tools that you can use to grow your business. Okay, it has 3 levels right now. There's about to be a 4th level. The 4th level is going to be added pretty soon. It starts from $1,250 to $6,250. Okay, and again, there are no pass-ups or anything like that. You can receive commissions of $1,000 and $3,000 and $5,000 at those levels. Okay, and these levels work pretty much the same as with Easy1Up. Okay, if you come in at the $6,250 level, then you get access to the other levels below it, and you also become eligible to receive commissions at the lower levels. Okay, again, what you're purchasing when you buy the Fearless Momma program, you're getting up-to-date marketing strategies that you can use in any business that you're in, not just necessarily for the Fearless Momma. As for myself, the training that I get with Easy1Up and the Fearless Momma, I use them back and forth. You know, I use the marketing strategies in the Fearless Momma to promote Easy1Up, and I use some of the marketing strategies in Easy1Up to promote the Fearless Momma. So I use both. Okay. And there's also bonuses that are already included with the Fearless Momma. And the Fearless Momma herself, her name is Tammy Montgomery, she helped to design this program so that everyone is on a level playing field. So top marketer, you know how top marketers are always offering bonuses in order to get people to join them in an opportunity. Well, with the Fearless Momma, everyone is on a level playing field. The bonuses are already included inside the system. So Tammy really discourages people from promoting their own bonuses in order to get people to join them in the Fearless Momma, because it's already in there. Okay, so that's what I like about it, is that everyone is on a level playing field. Okay, there's a Facebook community group for the Fearless Momma, and there's also live Zoom meetings every week where you can get live training, marketing training from a 7-figure earner. Okay, Tammy Montgomery. Okay, so you're learning right from a 7-figure earner how to promote your business, how to grow your business, and make high-ticket commissions. Okay, now with the Fearless Momma, you also get several lead capture pages that you can use. You also get a follow-up email system that's included within the Fearless Momma. So if you don't want to build your own email list, okay, and you just want the Fearless Momma system to do all the marketing for you, all you have to do is drive traffic to the lead capture pages. One of them, you just choose one, and then their follow-up, their email follow-up series will automatically go out to your leads, okay, and follow up with them. Okay, so you can do that, but again, I highly advise people to get their own email autoresponder, whether it's Aweber, GetResponse, SendLane, whatever, and do your own email follow-up and build your own email list. Okay, now there is an optional video sales letter that's not part of the Fearless Momma. Okay, this was created by someone completely different. His name is Mac Mills. Okay, he is a member of the Fearless Momma program, and he uses this video sales letter to promote the Fearless Momma. Okay, so, and he's allowing other people to use this same exact video sales letter to promote the Fearless Momma also. And right now, I don't know if the price has gone up yet, but right now it's like $97 a year to use his video sales letter in your marketing. And right now, that's what I'm doing. I'm using his video sales letter in order to promote the Fearless Momma. Okay, I build my own email list. I do my own email follow-ups. I tweak some of the emails that I got from somewhere else, and I use that to promote the Fearless Momma and also to follow up with my leads. Okay, so this is completely optional and it's completely separate from the Fearless Momma system. Okay, just to have transparency there. Okay, so those are the differences between Easy1Up and the Fearless Momma. So you can choose which one you want to get started with. The Fearless Momma is a mid-ticket to high-ticket program. It starts off as mid-ticket with a one-time payment of $250. You do have the option to upgrade into the high-ticket program called 6-Figure Empire. And you'll get more information about that once you join the Fearless Momma. And with Easy1Up, you know, depending on what your budget is, you can start for as low as $25 and all the way up to $2,000. Depending on your budget, and then use the training in the back office to promote Easy1Up or whatever business you're in. Okay, so also you can also get the Vertex lead system as your marketing system. I use the Vertex lead system to promote Easy1Up. I paid the $97 one-time payment. Okay, now what I can do, okay, if you join Easy1Up at the $500 or $1,000 level and you want to get the Vertex lead system, shoot me an email. You'll have my contact information once you join. Send me an email and I'll give you $20 off of the price of the Vertex lead system. Okay, so I'll do that for you if you join me in Easy1Up at the $500 level or the $1,000 level. $20 off, so instead of $97 you only pay $77. Okay, so go ahead and click the links below to get even more information about Easy1Up and the Fearless Momma. Alright, again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.